Okay, boys and girls, turn around. Okay, Jason's answer. Today is Wednesday, but what's the date? The 12th. Jason, come on up here and help me out. Show me where to put the number 12 up on the calendar. Okay, so today is, okay, let me see. Today is October 12th, and what's the year?
2005.
Not 2005, 2005. We're flipping over to a 5.
What's the special day?
Well, let's think about it. We'll see. We'll see what happens when we get to the 25th day of school. So who can tell me if the number 25 is an even or an odd number that we need to fill into our even and odd chart up there? Christina, it is an odd number. And Christina, does an odd number have a double?
No.
No. But all even numbers have a double, right? So we have a number 25, and we are filling up that chart. Do we have more even days or more odd days? You like playing in the rain a little bit?
No. I like playing rain.
Okay. Okay.
I don't like rainy days because
Okay. I'm glad some of you do like it. When you're ready. When you're ready. Now I said we could call today rainy, but we could call it something else because is the sun out today? No. So what would we call it today? Oh, I heard the answer, but someone had to call it out. Demetrius, we could call it misty, but misty I don't think is on our chart. Taryn, what do you think?
Partly cloudy.
We could call it partly cloudy, but I think partly cloudy, the sun comes out just a little bit.
Cloudy.
Okay, we could call it cloudy. So we need to put cloudy down on our weather chart here. So we have, how many cloudy days have we had since we've been in school? Not just in October. Look at September too. How many cloudy days have we had? I know it's sort of tough for you, those of you sitting in the back. Christina, how many do you think we've had cloudy days? 2. We've had 2 cloudy days. That's pretty good. Only 2 days out of how many days have we been in school?
25.
Out of 25. That's a pretty good, what we call percent. Only 2 days. And we had a bunch of sunny days. Those were days where we could go outside and maybe play after school. Or maybe Mrs. Gullo was nice enough to take you out sometimes. I know she was because I was there for a couple of them. So we have another cloudy day, and unfortunately, boys and girls, I think it's going to stay cloudy and maybe a little rainy the rest of the week. Okay, we have been in school for 6 days in October. Who can help me out? I think I need to do something over on the chart here. Oops. I'm looking for some new hands that I haven't called on yet. Sienna, did I call on you yet today? What do I need to do here? Don't put it next to the 5. Put it over here?
Yes.
Do I need to put a slash through it?
No.
Oh. When do I put a slash through it, Michael Early? Why, Michael? When do I put a slash through the tallies? When you were you listening?
Nope.
Christina, help him out. Oh, Christina, I like the way you explained that to him. If there are 4 tally marks and you have another one, you put a slash. And what do we call that fancy word? What is it?
Diagonal.
And who liked to cut their, do you remember a story we read yesterday where they like to cut their sandwiches? How did they do that? They cut them diagonal. Okay, Brittany and Adam, I'm gonna wait for you. Adam, actually, I'd like you to come over here and sit next to Demetrius. I don't think you and Brittany can sit next to each other. Okay. And while we're waiting for Adam and Brittany, I'd like to see everyone else in their listening positions. Okay, I'm gonna watch, and I'll be right back. I'm watching. Oh, I see a couple of gentlemen that might not have been ready for listening.
Camera's ready.
Yes, Jared.
You forgot to do the sticks.
I forgot to do the sticks, and you know what? I forgot to do them yesterday, but I remembered at the end of the day, so I can comment. Or they liked a lot of the same things, right? So today we're going to talk a little bit more about friends, but I need someone to help me out and tell me what today is. Nate. It is the month of October, but what's the day of the week? Tiana.
Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. And I need to get out of the way so you can see that. So today is Wednesday, and let's start reading our message together.
Can you make friends with someone you don't know?
I heard Darren. I didn't hear many people over here, Demetrius. I can wait. I can wait until I see everyone in their listening positions with their eyes on me. Remember, when someone's talking, you should look at them, right? You shouldn't be turned talking to your friend when someone's talking to you, or looking around the room. Okay, let's try this again. Can you make friends with someone you don't know? You might make friends in... Okay, let's see what will work there. What makes sense? You might make friends in Leah. School. I like that. That's exactly what I was thinking. Where's another place we could make friends? Adam. Everywhere. That's a good one too. But let's say you might make friends in everywhere. We would probably just get rid of the in, right? And just say you might make friends everywhere. Right? What's another one? Daryl. You might make friends in school, we said. What's another place? Tamir. You might make friends in the park. But I like what Leah said, and I'm going to use that because that's what I was thinking. You might make friends in school. Oh, I like that one. I just heard a very nice one. Who said that one? Nate, can you tell the class what you just said?
Oh, you might make friends in your heart.
You might make friends in your heart. And that's true because we said that good friends are in our hearts. And we've been talking a lot about what a friend is. And a friend is someone who, I think I heard it from a couple people. But I want to see a nice, quiet, raised hand. Mike Bell, nice of you to come here today. I didn't see you come in. A friend is someone who, what would you say? A friend is someone who you can ride your bike with? Let's see. Look, I think I need to hear from Shahada. I haven't heard from a friend is someone who, what do we say a friend is someone who cares about you, or someone who cares. And someone that can always be by your side. I like that too, Tina. Okay, so I think we have our morning message done. But we need to work on something today. We need to work on some vocabulary words. And I need your help this morning. Let's look at our vocabulary words. And when I show them to you, we're going to say them together, okay? Wandered.
Wandered.
Raced.
Raced.
Gathered.
Gathered.
Clustered.
Clustered.
Amazing.
Amazing.
We better put these up on our pocket chart here. And I need all of you to help me put these in alphabetical order or ABC order. Who can help me out with the first one? What should go first on that list? If we start with the A's up here and go down, see, oh, everyone has such nice, quiet racing. Michael Early.
Amazing.
Amazing. And why would I put amazing first? It's the beginning of the alphabet, and the alphabet starts with A. Thank you, all the Michael Earlys out there that answered. There's a lot of them. Okay, so I'm going to move wandered down to the bottom. We have amazing first. Who can help me with the next one? Taryn, you've been waiting patiently.
Clustered.
Clustered. Okay, I'm going to move raced. Down here. What do we think will come next, Tamir? Gathered. All right. How many more do we have left? We have 2 left. So, Jeremy, which one will come next?
Raced.
Raced. Let's see. I think so. So we have, let's say them together. Amazing, clustered, gathered, raced, and wandered. What do you think some of these words mean? I'm going to put the definitions up here. And we'll read them. Okay, the first one, ran quickly. Do you think amazing means ran quickly?
No.
Which of those vocabulary words do you think ran quickly? Which one do you think that is? Nate.
Race.
Raced. Let's see. Raced. Ran quickly. I think that makes sense. Let's read this one here. Went from place to place without a plan. That one's sort of tricky. What do you think, Jeremy? Gathered? Wandered? I think wandered. So wandered is went from place to place without a plan. Do sometimes we wander around? Yeah. Sometimes if we get lost, we might be wandering around. So it says wanders. Okay. Let's read the next one. Form a group. Form a group. I think there's a couple words up there. Tamir, which one do you think? Gather. Form a group. You know what? I'm going to check this one. It could be. Yeah. Form. Okay. Now we have another one. Came together. See, we have two left. Amazing and clustered, girls in the front row. Amazing and clustered. So which one do we think is came together? Jonathan. Okay. And then amazing has to be what? Surprising. So amazing is something that's surprising to us. Okay, boys and girls, what we're going to do now is we're going to get our anthologies out. I want to see everyone sitting in a nice straight row. Is this all the people in row 2?
No.
Who's supposed to be back there?
Her and
Tiana, you need to move back there right now. And then Shahada, are you supposed to be in the second row?
no, she's supposed to be in the third.
Oh, Taryn, I'll take care of this. Who's missing today? Antoinette, Crystal. Taryn, where are you? Okay, move up over. Robert, are you in the third row? You need to stop tying your shoe right now. I see some people in the back row have their book machine turned on already. Brittany, come join us.
Yeah.
Are you in the second row? Back up. Back. Okay, when I see you're ready, we'll turn the book machine on. And we're going to do it row by row. So the first row will get their books and we'll stop at Adam. The second row will stop at Miracle. The third row will stop at Shahada. Okay? The most important job is going to be the first person in the row. Darren. Robert. Okay? Who just went into the bathroom? You know?
Jonathan.
Where's he sit? Okay, we'll put a book there for him, okay? Brittany, are you ready? Let's turn it on. We're turning it on? Oh, we're gonna turn it on here? All right. Robert. Mike, could you pass it to Taryn? Pass one to Taryn. Robert. Brittany. Pass that one down your row. And then this one goes to Taryn. Brittany. Taryn, pass him down. I think we had a book machine broke down for a minute. We ready to go again? Robert. That's these two back. Robert, give it to Jonathan. Michael. Once you find the page, you shouldn't be talking. want you to have your pointer finger on the arrow. Yeah. Up your head. Yeah. Let's read the directions together. Solve the riddles. Write a word from the box on each line. Who would like to help me out with the first one? Leah, let's read it. I'll read it and then you help me out with the word, okay? You didn't stand up. You blank down. I already called on Leah. You sat down.